Gentlemen, it is an honor to introduce a distinguished officer who exemplifies excellence in every aspect of our service and personal pursuits. Please welcome Lieutenant Colonel Jhilmil Mukherjee from the Corps of Ordnance, currently serving as a Deputy Commandant of 223 ABOD, Jalandhar. With 20 years of dedicated service in both peace and active fields, she has made remarkable contributions in dealing with arms, ammunition, and armament, also known as AATO. An avid biker, mountaineer, and SAP ERP subject matter expert, she also holds the distinction of being a qualified Scrum Master and an expert in defense financial management. Under her leadership, her team has been awarded the Best Automated Depot consecutively for the last 3 years, and they also received the Best Innovation and Idea Award. A Level 6 data analyst by trade, Lieutenant Colonel Mukherjee is fluent in 3 international languages and 7 Indian languages. Her talents extend beyond the military as she enjoys salsa and kathak, plays badminton, basketball, chess, and carom, and is skilled in playing the guitar, harmonica, and piano. She also has a passion for cooking with expertise in Indian, Italian, and Chinese cuisines. Looking forward, she aspires to join the esteemed IIM Ahmedabad as a faculty expert. Please join me in welcoming the multi-talented and highly accomplished Lieutenant Colonel Jhilmil Mukherjee to the stage.
Thank you, Malvika, for that wonderful introduction. And very good morning to all of you, esteemed faculty members, proud parents, and bright students, bright dreamers. How are you all today? Am I audible? Can somebody please give me a shout?
Yes,
Shout. Am I audible? Am I visual?
yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope my voice is not breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
It's fine, ma'am. It's fine, ma'am. You can continue.
Ma'am, it is
Okay, so then okay. Okay, then let me start. Thank you very much. It's a wonderful opportunity to be here with you guys. I hardly get to interact with the young, budding population. Okay. So it's a huge honor. I am honored to be here today as your chief guest. I want to start by saying how impressed I am by your enthusiasm, energy in this school. And I also congratulate Atumi gave me. I'm very creative. You guys are very lucky to have such teachers. Okay. I am really impressed. Imagine. It's a feat in itself. Okay. So it is a testament to the vibrant community that the school has built. Amazing. Hats off to, I have only interacted with two members, but I've been able to interact with director, ma'am, Madhok, but I have been in Jubilee, ma'am, and Sranaya Mukherjee, ma'am. Am I correct in my pronunciation? I hope.
Ma'am, Shroyana Mukherjee. Shroyana Mukherjee. Am I audible, ma'am?
Okay. My bad. Okay, my bad. Thank you so much. I had a audible. As you stand at the threshold of an almost new academic career, see, we in India, I believe there are students from other countries also who have joined us. It's wonderful. It's a huge diversity. Okay, it's a huge diversity. So, as you are standing at the threshold of an almost new academic career, remember that that education is a journey. It is not the destination. It's a journey of discovery. It's a journey of growth and exploration. It's a time to learn, unlearn, and relearn. We all are students. I am a student. Okay. I am also a student. Something at a time. See others and find your own path. You, the students, are the future leaders. You are the innovators and the change makers. Your curiosity, creativity, passion, it will change and shape the world. Don't be afraid to dream big, to status quo. That is the element. Okay. Salute for your dedication. You are mentors, guides, and inspirations. Your role goes beyond imparting knowledge. You are shaping minds, building character, and fostering a love for learning. Okay? So, as you go forward, hold on to your values. Remember, life is not just about grades or achievements. I was an average student. It's about how you learn from your failures, financial failures, educational failures. Fine. It's about learning, embracing the challenges, and developing resilience. It's about developing empathy and becoming responsible citizens, no matter where you are. No matter where you are, no matter how dark one ray of hope, one ray of light is enough. It's enough to shine the whole world. One person also can make a difference. So please go first as you go forward and hold on to your values. Keep believing in yourself and supporting one another. That's very important. We have a pyramid system. You help yourself when you help the other person. Okay? So keep on holding on to your values, believe in yourself, and keep on supporting one another. Build strong community and create memories that are going to last a lifetime. In today's fast paced, ever changing world, it is easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle. But reflect, and most importantly, please enjoy the journey. Okay, life is a play, ups and downs, failures and profits, prizes and failing out in the race. This will keep on happening. So when you take a bird's eye view, how your life is progressing, you just enjoy the journey, and that is the main essence of living a human life. No matter where you are, no matter in what, will make a difference. Okay. So don't forget to take a step back, reflect, and enjoy the journey. Celebrate your triumphs, learn from your setbacks, and keep moving forward, keep pushing forward. Only thing which you have to be very, very careful about in life is don't lose time. Tell me one thing, money. there is always a chance that you can get it back. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No,
Any
ma'am.
answers? I don't hear any.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
No. Yes, ma'am.
we cannot get
Why?
it back. Yes, ma'am. No, we cannot get it back. Yes, we
Okay.
can get it back.
Okay. Even
Yes,
even even if you lose friends, there is always possibility you can get back your friends or make new friends. Isn't it correct?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. So in life, you can lose anything, you can gain anything. Okay, you can get back things. The only thing which you can't get back is time. We are fools and we think that, okay, fine, we have got enough time with us. No, you never know. So you only have to be comfortable with the idea that you don't have time to don't waste it. That's it. Baki, you can keep pushing forward, do lot of mistakes. Okay. And in the end, you will emerge as a good human being. I hope I'm not very fast. You people are able to understand what I'm trying to say. I can also speak in few words. Or is
yes,
English
ma'am.
good?
Yes, ma'am. We can only understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So you all are aware that today we have completed 77 years of independence. You are aware, right?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We are celebrating our 78th Independence Day today, right? So what
Yes, ma'am.
we were singing, dancing, singing poems, we were doing a lot of things, right? We were doing a lot of things. So when we celebrate today's Independence Day, we have to take a pledge. Okay, and what is that pledge? India is my country, and I, just like I have fulfilled my fundamental duties. Okay, the moment each one of you starts doing their fundamental duties, the nation will prosper. The nation is going to prosper. Okay, so okay, I've already taken up a little time. Let me share a small story. I'll young student to become an army officer. She was facing a serious obstacle. Why? Because she was coming from a classic middle class family. Okay, so overcoming those obstacles, she persevered, worked hard, believed
Ma'am,
in
excuse
herself.
ma'am.
Fine. So what is the end
Ma'am, your
today?
voice is getting delayed, ma'am. It is getting delayed. Your voice is getting delayed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Is it okay now? Is it okay
Yes,
now?
ma'am. No, ma'am. No, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
No,
now
ma'am.
it's working.
Yes,
Okay.
Okay.
Now
no,
it's
ma'am.
So
working
I
fully.
I shared a small little
No, ma'am.
story with you.
Students, kindly mute. You'll be able to hear, ma'am. Don't worry.
So
Yes.
persevered, Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So, this was a small little story of a little girl who wanted to become an army officer and leave her footsteps on history. And she did that. And today she's sitting right in front of you. Whatever you think, but there is a price to pay for it. That price is sweat, hard work, and utter belief in God. No matter which religion you come from, doesn't matter, but your faith in God. Okay? He always
Okay,
gives
ma'am.
you better. You may think a thing, but He knows in Him. Okay? This was a short little story. That's the power of education. The main motive of telling you this small little story was to tell you this is the power of education, dedication, and determination. You all have that potential within you. These bright five
Yeah,
faces,
ma'am.
so happy. I'm so happy. My country and all the Indians are in such good hands. You guys have tremendous potential within you. Okay. So, in the closing, I have spoken enough. So, in the closing, I would like to leave you with a quote from Nelson Mandela. We all have heard of who that Nelson Mandela is.
Ma'am, this is
No,
an
ma'am.
discrimination.
I haven't.
Yes,
I
no.
haven't heard about her.
Think-
Actually, ma'am, I haven't heard about her.
Okay, so do one thing. Since we are Google Meet, we use Zoom, these activities, just Google Mandela. You would understand. Okay, so I'll leave from Nelson. The greatest glory in lies not in failing, falling, but rising every time. There is no shame in failing and falling, provided you rise up time that you fall or fail. Every setback is an opportunity to learn. Every failure is a chance to grow. Every success is a reason to celebrate. Fine? So I love you and I wish you all a fantastic academic year, a very happy 78th Independence Day. May your days be filled with joy, and growth. So we all finish off with a loud Jai Hind. Say with me, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Good education.
Jai Hind. Kindly mute your channel, everyone. Kindly mute yourself. Thank you so much. Please take up, students. Ralika and Malvika.
Thank you so much for your inspiring and insightful speech, ma'am. Your words have truly resonated with us, and we are deeply grateful for your knowledge and experiences that you have shared. Your dedication in both services and your diverse passions is a testament to excellence. We are honored to have you today. Thank you so much for gracing this ceremony.